Jim Corbett, here, Jim Corbett was one of the greatest शिकारीज ऑफ इंडिया. शिकारी माने जे शिकार करे हला
सर तो हम शिकारी ओडिया लेके एटा हंटर लेके जाबो ना.
हां ठीक है से डिपेंड्स ऑन द ऑथर. ओके ही डिड नॉट शूट फॉर स्पोर्ट. ओके ही शॉट माने कार पास्टन शूट रा. ही शॉट ओनली डेंजरस एनिमल्स हला लाइक yes like man eating tigers, leopards. Okay, or else he sought for the short food. Leopard कौन? हाँ. Or else he sought for food. से कौन करे dangerous animals को मारे नहले ହେଲା से मारे कहाँ पे खाया पे ହେଲା. Amongst the famous man eaters that he killed was the man-eating leopard of Rudraprayag गोटे जगह सेठी man-eating leopard गोटे थिला. Okay, so he had killed him. Okay, and that leopard who had killed 114 persons से मार देथिला से येटा 14 पर्सन को किए से लेओपार्ड टा मारिथिला. आ ताकू ये मारला राइट. हां से ताकू मारला त नाम क्यों हो. अच्छा ही आल्सो किल्ड पानार मैन ईटर. से तारा ही डिड नॉट शूट फॉर स्पोर्ट माने से जो मारुथिला से एमती मजा रे मारे खाइबा को बंचिबा को मारे नहले मारे. स्पोर्ट तो जान स्पोर्ट माने कौन खेल से मजा रे खेल मारे राइट. मु तो कहबी जोड़ा लिखिया कथा मु कहबी राइट. of the Rudraprayag who killed 114 persons. He also killed the Panar man-eater who had devoured. Panar माने से गोटे जगह रे आ गोटे जगह रे पानार गोटे जगह सेठी गोटे थिला man-eater सेमती गोटे बागटे हैला who had devoured means eaten up. Who had eaten up. Okay, devoured 400 human beings. 400 लोग से भाग खाइथिला आपको से मारला हैला. So Jim's skill in hunting was self-taught. हैला hunter से जो hunting Jim's skill जानछो तो ओके was self-taught. अब कोई सिखे नथिले से निजे सिखिथिला self-taught. He learned to use the catapult by himself. Catapult माने छिटकिनी. ओके yes छिटकिनी ये जो देखिछो तो छिटकिनी sling shot. So he learned to use this catapult by himself. Then he learned to use the bow and arrow. Okay, bow and माने धनुषर ताकू से सिखला. छिटकिनी फास्ट सिखला तब धनुषर सिखला. And when he was 8 years old he learned to use an old broken down gun. So ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାକୁ 8 years ହେଇଥିଲା ସେ ଶିଖିଲା. He learned to use an old broken down gun. So ଗୋଟେ old gun ଥିଲା ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଯାଇଥିଲା. ओके ताकू चलेबा से शिखला. ओके ताकू यूज करे. Jim was lucky that he lived in a place called कलाडोंगी बोली गोटे जगार से रोला which was situated in the middle of a thick forest. Okay, middle of a thick forest. ज्योति देरी कौन है पंक्चर करथिला किए करछि से पिला कर देथिले किए किए करथिला स्वयं कर देला नहीं. Okay, go. जाओ जाओ। ये एटा को सेव कर लो। एटा सुना ना को दबो डीपीएस क्लास 6 इंग्लिश चैप्टर कौन एटा
चैप्टर 4
4 देखो सर से सेव कर दो देखो देखो Jim was lucky that he lived in a place called Koladungi, which was situated in the middle of a thick forest. Okay. Jim was lucky that he lived in a place called Koladungi,
ये जगह
which was situated in the middle of thick forest. Okay. The forest भितर से जगह Near his house were two dry, sandy knolls. Okay. Near his house were two dry and sandy knolls, and a little distance away from these knolls was a canal. Hello? Near his house were two dry sandy knolls. Okay. এটা নଳ ଥିଲା ଡ୍ରାଏ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ସେଟା କେନାଲ ସେଟା and a little distance away from these knolls ମାନେ ଛୋଟ ଜାଗା ଛୋଟ ଇଏ was a canal ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା ଏଟା ଟିକେ ବଡ ସେଠି ବେଶୀ ପାଣି ଯିବ ହେଲା animals of all sorts had to cross these knolls okay ଏ ନଳାକୁ କ୍ରସ୍ କରନ୍ତି to drink water from the canal okay animals from all sorts ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର all sorts ମାନେ କଣ ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାର had to cross these knolls all sorts लिखि दियो all sorts had to cross these knolls
so all sorts माने
सब प्रकार
लिखि दो
okay cross these knolls to drink water from the canal ତେଣୁ ଏଇ ନଳା ବାଟ ଦେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତି କେନାଲ ହେଲା ତା ନାଁ ଦେଇଦିଅ ଓମ୍ ପ୍ରକାଶ Animals of all sorts had to cross these knolls to drink water from the canal. It was here that Jim learned his first lessons in tracking. Okay, से tracking भी करती tracking में ना जिबा, है ना? ये देख रही जिबा. Okay, बसंत. Yeah, tracking भी सीखी थी. At first he found the tracks very confusing. से जो बाटे जाए को बाटे जीव किसी जानी हेबनी हैला the tracks of a young sambar and a blue bull okay were very similar to the tracks made by a pig तेणु जो tracks बनै थांती sambar ଆଉ blue bull हैला षंढ जोड़ा बनै थांती हैला they are very similar to the tracks made by pig. Pig भी से वाले tracks बनाए. He also got confused.
The tracks in a young sambar.
हाँ, tracks of a young sambar. Sambar बोले ये. Sambar बोले दलतुटे. हे टाइप के हाँ हरिण वाले. And a blue bull इटा मैंने इटा similar बोली से कहूँची. है ना? Similar to the pig छोटो pig रो ये बढ़िया मैंने ये track हाँ footprint बढ़िया समा he also got confused between the tracks of hyenas and wild dogs मैंने कोटा हिना जाइची ये बाटे कि wild dog जाइची you can't say okay and those of leopards संगरे भी हिना रे मिसी जाए बुझिपारछ ना आउ वाइल्ड डॉग रे भी मिसी जीवो यू कैन नॉट से दैट एटा चिता भाग जाइछि कि कुकुर जाइछि but by watching each animal cross the nala and by studying its tracks he learned to recognize different animals but he could recognize jancho to chini parthila ko animal jaichi he became so good at this that he could make out from the tracks of a snake हाँ अच्छा तुम्हें दे दो ना तुम्हें खाता दे दो साल देखी देबो पैसा
सर मैं
मैं ସେ ଲେଖିଦବ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଆମେ हाँ sì हाँ ହେଲା he became so good at that he could make out from the tracks a snake whether the snake was poisonous or not ତେଣୁ ସେ ଟ୍ରାକ୍ ଦେଖିକିରି ସ୍ନେକ୍ ର ବି କୋଉ ବାଟେ ଯାଉଛି ସେ ଜାଣିପାରୁଛି स्नेक भी को टाइप रो स्नेक भी से कहि परियो पॉइजनस और नॉट ओके ओम प्रकाश कम क्विकली सार देखिए प्रयास स्नेक से जो स्नेक जाउतला से स्नेक रो भी पॉइजनस भी कौन से जानि परियो ट्रैक एट नाइट व्हेन ही ले डाउन माने सोईथिला लेटा लेखो लाए ले लाए लाए ले एल आई लाए लाए ले हां एल वाई ले लाए ले ला सेति सो से व्हेन ही ले डाउन से सोईबे गला हला टू स्लीप हला हैं ले माने पडिवा तळे दे ही वुड हियर से सुनिबो निश्चित सुनिबो कोन द कॉल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एनिमल्स जन बोबांती soon he learned to recognize the call of each animal hela so he would hear that every day or what he would hear se sunibo सब दिन ताको ताको सुनिबो सोइबा सुनी सुनी सोई पड़िबो हला so he learned to recognize एडी भी से जानिला हां the call of each animal he learned that not only does each animal have a different call से कौन जानिला what he learned that not only does each animal have a different call सब एनिमल करो डिफरेंट कॉल अछि ओके नॉट ओनली दैट हां different call but also not only but also use that the same animal will give different calls for different purpose तामने सेम एनिमल भी डिफरेंट कॉल दोची डिफरेंट काम पाई पर्पस जानते तो हैं पर्पस जानचो देखो लिखुनो ऑन नहीं होई पर्पस देखो 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 कोई okay the call a mother deer gives to her young means मैंने डिफरेंट ये हो फॉर डिफरेंट पर्पस डिफरेंट काम वर्क पर्पस मैंने वर्क एक the call a mother deer gives to her young ones मैंने कहो young deers to tell them to come to her मदर डियर डाके इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हर कॉल है टू वार्न द हर्ड बहुत अल्प थिला
सर जब वो एक्सरसाइज 1.3 हो जाइଥିଲା केवल मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज था मल्टीपल चॉइस हो जाइଥିଲା तो एक्सरसाइज 1.1 ना 1.2 सर तो एक ही सुनो
तोर पढ़ुन हैं
मैं आपको बताती
मैथ बहीटा एकटा बही नु कि मैथ बही नहले भी से तो क्वेश्चन लिखी ना लिखी अच्छा देखो इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हर कॉल तेणु सी जो डाके छुआ को डाके हैं हैं ला सेटा डिफरेंट कहाँ टू डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हर कॉल टू वन द हॉर्ड 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 माने दल कौन देखो हॉर्ड HERD एटा हाँ तांकर जो ये देखो ये जो डियर मानकर तांको ग्रुप को डाकिया को जो प्रकार से यूज करिवो शब्द तार तार उल्टा हम ता छुआ को डाकियो एंड दी टाइगर इज कमिंग क्लोज दैट द टाइगर इज कमिंग क्लोज ताकू आसुची से जेमति डाकिवो टाइगर आसला बेले ताठू अलगा हैला ता छुआ को डाकियो हैं Jim learned to walk barefoot in the forest without making the slightest noise. Okay. So he learned also what to walk barefoot. Barefoot माने कौन खाली गोड़े हैला खाली पादरे हाँ without making the slightest noise. Slightest माने कौन टिक्के भी हैला noise हबो. He taught himself to climb trees. Okay. He trained his eyes to notice everything. Okay. कुआडे कौन होउची से देखो. Once, while walking through the jungles, he saw a cobra stung. कौन देखिला? Cobra stung in a hollow tree. कौन देखिला? Hollow tree माने गोटे फंपा गछटे हैला hollow tree लेखो hollow tree hollow just as it was about to strike him माने just करियो जाउची हैला लेखो about to strike hollow माने फंपा he quickly moved away about to strike हाँ ठीक है ओके एमटी लिख लेको ठीक अछि ना एमटी टाइम हो ताकू दो ताकू सो से अबाउट टू स्ट्राइक हिम माने ताको जस्ट ताको से अटैक करिया जाउतला अबाउट टू स्ट्राइक मींस टू से मारिया जाउतला जस्ट हां छोटो मारिया जाउतला जस्ट छोटो मारिया जाउतला ला अबाउट टू स्ट्राइक he quickly moved away से कौन कला पळेला moved away माने घुची गला move away देखो move away घुचीवा हां another time he saw a leopard's tail कौन देखिला leopard's tail कौन लांजो through a bush just as it was going to spring on him हैला spring on him देखो spring on माने jump okay spring on jump हैला से देखिला जिम even learn to imitate जानछो हां imitate लेखो imitate माने imitate माने लेखो ताको नकल करिवा so even learn to imitate the calls of animals and birds Huh? So imitate the calls of animals and birds. ହେଲା ସେ imitate କରୁଥିଲା calls of animals and birds. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ? He could imitate the growl of a tiger. ନା imitate କଣ ନକଲ କରୁଥିଲା growl କଣ growl ଜାଣିଛ growl 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 ଲେଖ growl ମାନେ so Jim even learned to imitate the calls of animals and birds. ସେ ତାଙ୍କ କଥାକୁ ନକଲ କରେ and he could imitate the growl of a tiger. Tiger ଯେମିତି ବୋବେଇବ ଇଏ ସେମିତି ବୋବେଇବା growl means growl of a tiger. Huh? And leopard so well that often the tiger mistook the roar from that of its mate. Okay? Huh? Who mistook? Tiger itself mistook. Huh? Mistook. Lekho. Mistake, mistook. Mistake, mistook. Mistake, mistook. Mistook. I would lekho mistaken. Mistake, mistook, mistaken. मैंने भूल कर देवा एडी भूल करिया लेके भूल करिया हला ता माने टाइगर निजे भूल कर दिए से भाबे इट इज द रोर इट इज द ग्रोल फ्रॉम इट्स मेट मेट कौन है मेट रूममेट हां रूममेट हैं क्लासमेट माने संग मेट लेखो मेट आज ए यंग बॉय जिम वाज वेरी संग कितने थर कही आज ए यंग बॉय जिम वाज वेरी स्केयर्ड ऑफ द डार्क स्केयर्ड जानछो हैं वेरी scared of the dark. Okay. His elder brother Tom. Okay. देखो scared of something. देखो scared of something. Scared of something. ST लिखो. Something बता दे ST लिखो. ST. Something scared of something. Okay. मैंने डरी. His elder brother Tom taught him to overcome this fear the hard way. Okay. His elder brother taught him to overcome this fear. Overcome lekha. Overcome. Cross. Overcome माने जीतिवा. Overcome हाँ joy करिवा. So taught him elder brother के थिला Tom. Taught him to overcome this fear. Okay. से जो डार्क को फियर करथिला ताकू शिखेला कि जितिया को टॉम तार एल्डर ब्रदर जो डार्क को फियर करथिला ताकू शिखेला तू डर ना फियर द हार्ड वे अच्छा हां taught him to overcome this fear the hard way बहुत कष्ट ताकू शिखेला. On one evening, Tom took him bear shooting. कोठी नेला bear को मारियो बोले bear shooting. Okay. Leaving him alone in the gloomy ravine. Okay, गोटे ravine अच्छी deep and narrow valley. गोटे टिके तळ को डाउन जगह अच्छी. हला ravine तो देई जेती deep and narrow जगह टे हला सेडी की ताको नहीं गला. हैं leave him alone. ताको है जाए living him alone छाड़ देला. Which was known to be the home of many bears. है सेटे many bears रहते. Tom returned home पड़े गला घर को. Poor Jim sat trembling with fear. Says tremble then जानछो थरिवा देखो tremble देखो थरिवा with fear certain that he would be eaten by a bear. Okay, trembling with fear certain that certain से थिला certain लेखो निश्चित. Okay, that he would be eaten by a bear से ताकू निश्चित bear खाइबो. When he actually saw one जेतेबेले से गोटे bear को देखिला he almost died of a fright. लिखो died of fright. Died and fright.
Dad of fright.
Okay.
Dad of fright means
से लिखो
dad of fright.
हाँ died of fright.
Means
So died of fright. Okay. मैंने means से डर रे मर जीवो. ये almost died of fright. से डर रे प्राय मर जीवा ऊपर है ହେଲା. डर रे मर जीवा. Okay. But he stuck to his post. बुझते ना? He stuck to. Okay.
Stuck.
लेको हाँ stuck to लेको stick to. STICK stick to रही. Stick to his post माने से सेमिति रहिला.
सेमिति रहिला.
हाँ. Next morning when Tom came to fetch him, Jim did not tell him how scared he had been. Okay? Huh? So कितने scared, how scared, कितने scared मैंने कितने डर चीज़ है. He had been, how scared he had been. Okay? How much scared he had been. कितने डर के अच्छे हैं. So the noun था how scared. But from that day he lost his fear of the dark. Okay? गोटे राति जो रही थी डार्क रे. Okay? He lost his fear of the dark. Jim started staying out all night in the jungle. He would make a fire with some dry twigs and lie down. मैं जो lie कहती वर्तमान कहती lay down है ना lie down beside it. So he would make a fire. तार एक practice है गला. So सब दिन करियो. He would make a fire with some dry twigs. Twigs माने बिड़ा. Okay जानी तो twigs लेको twigs काठा बिड़ा. So dry twigs को नेगरी से बने हो. कौन बने हो? ये जो निया बड़ करियो है ना? And then lie down beside it. तापर सोई पड़ियो. Beside माने कौन? पाखेरे. देखो beside it माने पाखेरे. If he heard a tiger growling, हमें ये पढ़ी थी ना growl. So growling close by माने nearby. लिखा close by. Nearby. He just threw another stick into the fire and went back to sleep. यदि सुनिबो कि गोटे बोबोची से कौन करियो आउट के नियाटा जळै देबो. केमति नियाटा जळै देबो? He threw another stick into the fire. आ गोटे आउट के जळै देबो बेसी ह. And went back to sleep. आराम रे सोइबो. In the morning when he would get up, जेतले से उठिबो. Get up जानि तो उठिबो. Get up जानि and start wandering around the jungle. Wandering जानि wander WANDER माने बुलिबा लेखो. Around the jungle जेतले बुलिबो talking in all its secrets and wisdom. Talking होजी taking in all its secrets and wisdom. So he would get I'll say. In the morning he would get up and start wandering around the jungle. बोलियो. Taking in all its secrets. तेणु जंगल रो जहाँ सब secrets, okay, and wisdom. जंगल रो जहाँ सब knowledge, आउ के जानते except him. तेणु क्या वाला? He is taking in. लेखो taking in माने receiving. Take in. In छाड़ी माने to receive. तेणु से रिसीव करे कौन एवढा सब जंगल सीक्रेट जंगल विजडम. अच्छा. टीम often went hunting with his pet dog Robin. विजडम माने नॉलेज विजडम लिखी. So Robin, they shared many exciting adventures together. माने they दिजन जाक मिसी करछन. They shared many exciting adventures. Okay? Together. Okay? They shared many exciting adventures together. करथिले. शेयर करथिले माने सर मिसी करन. एडवेंचर माने कौन जानते कहबे भ्रमण नहीं एडवेंचर माने बहुत साहसिक काम हैला से माने एडवेंचर से करते एक्साइटिंग एडवेंचर एक्साइटिंग तुम गोटे जिन जो भल लगे क्रिकेट टे लास्ट को एक्साइटिंग है टुगेदर से तेणु सेयार करते मेनी एडवेंचर्स टुगेदर मैंने निजे शिकार करते दुजन मिसिकी है जिम आउ किए रबिन रबिन किए डॉग and Jim first set his eyes on Robin who was then only a dirty 3 month old puppy है तो सेते बेले फर्स्ट सेट हिज आईज किए जिम ताको देखला प्रथम सेते बेले से हेतला 3 month रो गोटे ओल्ड पप्पी हेतला 3 month old puppy 3 month old puppy जानछो तो कुकुर छुआ he did not want to keep him सेते बेले जिम चाहेलानी मु ताके रखी बोली but the puppy came and called over his feet ये आसिकरी गोड़े हैला yes called over देखो called over हैला and licked him so lovingly हैला ताकू lick माने जानते तो चाटीवा सी वाले हां हैला बुलिवा तो चारि पासे बुलिवा called over his feet and licked him lick माने चाटीवा देखो lick माने चाटीवा licked him so lovingly that he decided to give him सेते बेले से डिसाइड कला मु ताकू देबी he took him home where he gave him a warm water bath and some milk to drink he was such a friendly and intelligent dog that Jim grew to love him okay से बढ़िया डॉग थिला फ्रेंडली एंड इंटेलिजेंट फ्रेंडली जानछो इंटेलिजेंट जानछो Jim wanted to train Robin to retrieve birds हाँ ने bird को कैच करियो retrieve bird retrieve माने to catch to bring retrieve birds so when he was old enough okay he took him along lekho eta took him along ताकू संगरे नहीं होतला took him along take somebody along take SB somebody नहीं SB along गणु नहीं जीवा संगरे for his first hunt हैला the first hunt को सुनेला Jim shot a peafowl okay peafowl I don't know देखिवा okay it landed in some thorny bushes like कोडा ए peafowl मु कहि पर एडा मु ले मार देली so it landed in माने एडा आसी ओलेला माने वो बाट से आसी बसला कोडी इन सम थर्नी बुशेस रे बसला थर्नी बुशेस जानते तो हां and Robin dashed after it Robin after हां डेला ला देखो dash after dash माने अटैक करियो हला after some time he returned after some time Robin returned देखो dragging the wounded bird between his teeth हला अरे से कैच कला तब आनिला माने रिट्राइव दी देखो ड्रैग जानते तो ड्रैग माने टाणी ड्रैग DRAG ड्रैग टाणी के आनला दी wounded bird between his teeth okay teeth रे धरि की तक आसला a few days later they were walking back home से माने पूरी फेरुथले निजन जगह when Robin saw a big troop of langurs ए माकड़ बड़िया होला big troop जानते तो अच्छा Robin dashed after a langur which promptly climbed a tree संगे climbed a tree langur Jim whistled to call Robin back but okay dog did not listen to his whistle listen to माने सुनियो he chased the langurs से गोड़ेला chase जानते तो चेज जानछो जान नथलो चेज देखो सी एच ए सी गोड़ेगा सी एच ए सी langur so little distance away where a little distance away where some bushes behind which was a deep nala ଗୋଟେ ନଳା ଥିଲା ବଡ଼ ନାଳଟେ ଥିଲା ନାଳ ସେଇଠି ଥିଲା away little distance away behind some bushes Robin had barely entered those bushes okay ତା ଭିତରେ ସେ ପଶି ପାରିବନି when he came running out again with his tail tucked between his legs okay so କହୁଛି when he came running out again with his tail tucked ମାନେ ଠାକି ଯିବା between his legs okay हाँ so अच्छा tail टाକୁ ଭିତରେ ପୁରେଇ ଦେଲା ହେଲା legs अच्छा so what is it again Robin had barely entered those bushes okay हाँ से केबे ता भितरକୁ okay so Robin had barely entered those bushes okay so केबे ता भितर पसु नथला when he came running out again with his tail tucked between the running out again with his tail tucked between the legs a huge leopard was running after him okay देखो एटा तो कहूची Robin had barely entered those bushes से पसी नथला ता भितरे बुझ पालन नहीं से लंगूर को तड़ुची लंगूर को तड़ी से भितर had barely so ता भितर से पसीनी या भितर पसीनी कौन हला when he came running out से पसीनी बाहरी आइला दौड़ी गिरी with his tail tucked ता टेल या भितर पसी आइची बुझ पातर लांजो जाकी गिरी कहंतनी दौड़ीची so tucked between his legs गोड़ तले लांजो जाकी गिरी कौन भाई देला जो भितर जाइनी दौड़ला कौन a huge leopard was running after him देखो running after run after तोड़ीबा हला हां leopard का पछरे तोड़ुची बुझले Jim was not carrying a gun and he could not save his dog okay से ता डॉग को सेव करि पारिला नाही कारण he was not carrying a gun the langurs were calling loudly from the trees एमाने तो किलो थांदे रंगो हला मजा लागुता जन the leopard came closer and closer to Robin and just when he was within the reach of Robin he turned and disappeared on the other side he just he was within the reach of Robin acha so and just when he was within reach of Robin को पायब जाउची हला he turned and disappeared on the other side हला माने leopard पळेला ए के पळेला leopard नु हैं के पळेला हाँ the leopard came closer and closer to Robin and just when he was within reach of Robin पाखु आसीची पळेला अदर वे हला अदर साइड टाइम से leopard ता कोन तार मतलब हैला पळेला बुझबती ता पाखु आसी ता माने Robin को से धरिनी Robin learned two very useful lessons जानते तो इट कोन शिक्षा हला इट पाठ नु lesson 1 lesson 2 नु that day which he never forget in his life दीटा lesson किन देला की गोटे तो अच्छा देखियो हां एडी लिखी छी first never to disobey his master's whistle हां ता whistle न मानी से जाइतला दिसन हैं पळेथला लंगूर को पछरे and secondly never to chase langurs लंगूर को चेज करले त दोइन के ऊपर पळेबे ना तो दीटा जिंस सिखिला he also learned that when langurs gave a warning call बुझतो लंगूर का चिल्लौथिले it means that a leopard was nearby हला leopard अछि बोली से चिल्लौथन After that, the Robin always obeyed Jim's orders. सबले ता order शुने Jim रो. Robin also learned, like his master, to keep absolutely still. ये जिन पाता चापी चापी चले, to keep absolutely still. देखो, still मैंने जानी तो कौन? No, ये still मैंने absolutely still, पूरा still. देखो पूरा चुपचाप, पूरा नीरव. Absolute मैंने जानते हो? पूरा, अधा नहीं, पूरा, absolute. Absolutely still.
Still means Nirav.
Nirav. Yes. When he ordered to do so, when ordered to do so, when ताकू order दे दे, जैसे ताकू order दे दे वो पूरा चुपचाप छिड़ा, कच से, है ना? Order to do so, मैंने when order to do so, मैंने when he is ordered to do so, he is ordered to ही रह जाए थी, रह जाए. He learned to walk as silently as a cat does in the jungle. Okay. He learned to walk as silently as a cat. Huh? As silently as a cat. अच्छा. Huh? So से cat भलिया जिन जंगल ले चले चुपचाप. He as silently as a cat. ला dogs. Dogs मैंने कौन walk. Huh? ये dogs मैंने कौन walks. Walks. Huh? Dogs मैंने walk. Dogs मैंने तो परिवार. Dogs walk. मैंने बुझता नहीं. He learned to walk. He learned to walk. As silently as a dog, as a cat does walk. बुझता तो नहीं. Cat does walk in the jungle. बुझता तो. He also learned to pay no attention to any other animal or bird. आउ कहाँ कुछ attention देला नहीं. Attention देते ना. Attention please तो नहीं. Any other animal bird except the one they were hunting. तो ଯେତେବେଳେ hunt କରୁଥିବେ ତାକୁ ହିଁ କେବଳ concentrate କରିବା. ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନୁହଁ, side ରେ ନୁହଁ. ହେଲା, except the one they were hunting. ହେଲା, except the one ମାନେ that animal. Except the one ମାନେ କଣ? Animal. They were hunting. Robin leaped to the right edge. Okay, he leaped to. लेखा leap to. Leap to. Leap to. The right edge of 13. Live to means 80 वर्ष बंचिवा. Live to हाँ बंचिवा. Live to the ripe age of 13. Ripe age कहीं क्या गला? Dog माने 12-13 वर्ष ही बंचती. आमर ripe age कितने? 80-90 वर्ष. है ना? And he is brave. Okay. Ripe. हाँ? Ripe age लिख लो. Ripe age. 13 and his grave can still be seen. Means ripe age मैंने पूरा वर्ष. Okay, of 13. Dog मैंने 13 वर्ष ही बंच. And his grave can still be seen. Grave कौन? Grave जानचो? Grave जानचो? चलो. Grave मैंने था समाधि. चलो grave. Grave can still be seen in Corbett's garden. ହେଲା, Corbett कौन की? Jim Corbett. Corbett ର ବଗିଚାରେ ସେ ନିଜେ ଗୋଟେ ସମାଧି କରିଛି ତା ପାଇଁ, ତା କୁକୁର ପାଇଁ. Corbett's garden ଏଟା କଳା ଡୁଙ୍ଗିରେ ସେ